Hey guys, welcome back to the Shipmate YouTube channel. This week we're going to be talking all about inserts. I'm going to be telling you all the different ways you can use inserts within your e-commerce business. Hey guys, like I said in the intro, there are countless ways to use inserts within your e-commerce or online business. I use inserts all the time. A lot of our customers here at Shipmate use a lot of inserts. And you can really accomplish a lot of goals and really, use inserts to add value to your business or your brand. One of the best ways to use inserts is to improve the overall brand experience. So, sometimes maybe you want to include something like a handwritten thank you letter, the story of your brand, some instructional information, some recipes, something that's going to improve the customer experience. It's going to add a little something. It's going to help them connect with your brand. It's going to help you use the product. It's going to help them follow your story. But it's going to enhance this experience. It's going to make it feel like a better experience, a higher end experience, a more connected experience for your end customer. And this is one of the best ways to use inserts. The second way that I think you should be using inserts is to drive repeat business. So, there's a lot of people who order products from people online and they order one-off and they never order again. What you can do is you can send these people coupons. You can send these people free shipping offers. You can send these people, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and check out my new products. You can put a nice little card or a letter or a newsletter or, a coupon or whatever in that box. And, try to convert some of these one-time purchasers into repeat customers. People who are going to give you a lot of goodwill. People that are going to, help support your business and help you grow. Because the more people you can turn into fans and, people who are ambassadors of your brand, the better off you are. And a good way to do that, like I said, is reward the people who are already purchasing from you. Give them discounts, make them feel like you appreciate their business and you want to win more of it. The next way to use inserts, and one of my favorite ways to use inserts, I do it this way myself, is for customer service. So a lot of times, it's not necessarily clear how to get in contact with somebody who you buy something from, and it's not always that you get the best standard of care when it comes to customer service. One way that I ensure that I give my customers the best quality of care is that I put in an insert that tells them, where they can contact if they have a problem. What sort of warranty information that kind of product has. If I'm selling a toaster or something like that, you can return it for up to a year or get your money back, whichever. I really want to, instill confidence in me and my brand and, my customer support. One of the biggest benefits of this is many online platforms like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, they all have standards that you got to meet. And a lot of the time, if you can redirect these complaints outside of those channels around to your support email and handle it and make a happy customer on the other end, then you can help improve your metrics and, keep things up where they need to be on your online stores. So there's a lot of benefits to taking customer service and handling it with inserts. The next way you can use inserts is to, give a free gift, give a little extra pop, a little more pizzazz. So, I had some customers that instead of, putting in, a pamphlet or a postcard or a coupon, they'll actually include an additional free item that complements their product. So, like, let's say I'm selling, a water bottle. Maybe I'll include, a strainer for free. A strainer for fruit. Maybe when I sell, a crock pot, I'll include a recipe book. Maybe when I sell a set of golf clubs, I'll include a 3-pack of balls for free. I give this little gift as a thank you gift, as a, promotional kind of thing. And sometimes it can help to make the difference between your sale and, a competitor who's not giving away a free item and is not, giving this little extra thank you gift, this little extra pop, a little extra pizzazz to the item. And, it can make a difference when things are close, when things are similar. it can make you stand out, and it can make you different, and it can really help you differentiate yourself from your competitors and your competition. The fifth way you can be using inserts, although this is a little bit of a gray area, and you want to check the policies and the procedures of the websites you're using, could be to ask for a review, ask for some feedback. If you have your own site and you're not disobeying some policy on Amazon or whatever by asking, you could put an insert in there that says, hey, we want your feedback. We want to know how your customer experience is. And this is a good way to get online reviews, and this is a good way to build up customer goodwill and show people that you have a quality product. Now, like I said, I really want to caution this. I don't want you guys breaking any rules out there, with Amazon's policies or, some of the other retailers. So make sure that if you're using, inserts to get reviews or to, get people to leave comments about your business online, that it's within the guidelines and policies of whatever merchants you are using. But having someone go and like your business on Google or give a product review can really help to elevate your business and show that you're a reputable business who takes care of their customers. So, if it's allowable, go ahead, ask for that review. Ask for somebody to, recommend you on Google. Ask for somebody to, write about a customer service experience. Get a testimonial to put on the website. It never hurts to have more people in your corner, and a good way to reach them is with that insert. I'm sure you've seen it before. If you enjoyed this, give me 5 stars. If not, reach out to my customer service team and we'll give you A+ customer service. It never hurts to ask, and like I said, as long as you're not violating any terms or something, it's definitely something you should be doing. So guys, that was 5 ways you can use inserts to improve your online business. Now, there's one way you can help improve this YouTube channel, and that is to like, subscribe, share. We're trying to get to that 1,000. We need your help. So, you liking our videos, you sharing us with your friends and family, it really helps us out, and we really appreciate it. So guys, thank you again. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate you, and we will see you next week.